Omukoro gubira ha convention site omu Rugarama Kabare kandi kubire kuri okushaba hamwe n'okuhimbisa. Kazimba shabera abakristayo kuba bomushana bakegita hamwe n'okukora hamwe.
We are not pressure groups. We are not activists. We are not politicians.
Ubwo yongire abashabo mu businge bwa Yesu barukore birunje batahi babo.
Be the light and salt to the world. Let us be peacemakers. But listen, this peace should be rooted in Jesus Christ. You can't be a peacemaker unless you know Jesus, the source of peace.
Ogwa yongire yabashabo okuba bo businjo mu ruhanga kandi abebembezi b'amadini yabashabo kwatanisa n'abantu bakabegisa ekigambo kya ruhanga kandi yabashaba no kuba bamaze mu butwire.
Sure, people have a relationship with Jesus. Nobody will ask me how many people you Nobody will ask me how many churches you build. I will be asked how many people were reconciled to Jesus.
Ubwo yongire yashabara babire betsimbere bakasinga kandi yabashabo butagira ekinaga okwatanisa nabo basinjire kandi yashaba abanyadini okora kugita hamwe abantu hamwe no kurwanisa ubwangane.
Mediation. We handled this before election, during election, and now after election. And now we are meeting a number of people, those who won, those who lost, and it's my work. He has gone here. Why is he going here? I am a pastor. I have to do my work.
Abanyadini abakristayo hamwe n'abebembezi ba gavumenti beteraniro mu kuterana oku amakuru gashakwa Nelson ahimbisibwe.